Hi, this is Paul of PaulCabinetSourcing. We are committed to helping customers source, buy, and import quality kitchen cabinets and vanities at a competitive price from China. We are well connected with China factories. By virtue of overseeing the whole business of clients, based on profound understanding of clients' business and concerns, we reliably help clients grow their business effectively. Now let me show you around one of our factory. This is a hand sanding table, equipped with the dust absorbing system. All of the doors and frames will be sanded by sanding machine, and then hand, to make sure the surface is smooth enough. Here workers assemble doors frames with mortise, tenon and glue. Full-side planer used to produce profile on doors or glue on frames. All of the unfinished pieces would be checked carefully by QC, and defects will be picked out and replaced. We apply 2 times of base coating and 1 top coating with AC paint, which features wear-proof and eco-friendly. This is finishing checking cap. QC check every pieces of finished door and frame carefully, and those with color or other problems will be picked out and reprocessed. The packing area. The cabinets packed individually, lockdown style, ply foam and corner protection inside. A-grade cover and tray curtain are used. That's the end of our tour of factory. Feel free to contact us for any question. Look forward to helping you grow your business.